Either XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the XLM, and I will share my personally advice with all of you, my personally and special advice for all of you. So keep watch this video till the end. This video is very special for all of you, and my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, please subscribe now. My friends, you know what? This time the whole cryptocurrency's prices changes is negative. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes is negative. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, all cryptocurrencies prices change is going negative. Same like that, the VeChain price change is also negative. But now, if you look the latest update, so currently update is going positive, my friends. I hope that they will continue this positive change for a long time, my friends. But the previous changes is completely in the loss. The last 1 week, last 1 day pricing is still negative, my friends. And the latest price of the XLM is 0.248296 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Stellar XLM. Let me show you the price chart for more details and for better understanding, my friends. My friends, from this price chart, everyone can understand that we are in the loss or profit. We are in the loss or profit, my friends. And you can see the last 1 week price chart on the screen, and this chart tells us that we are completely in the loss. Completely, my friends, the price is going down, 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 down. So if this kind of changes continue in the XLM, so they will make you bigger, my friends. They will make you bigger. And the pricing is negative 27.88%. So the pricing is negative. That means that you are in a loss. And you know what, my friends, the last 1 month price change is also negative. So if the last 1 month price change is negative, so that's mean that the price is going down from the last 1 month. So if the price is going down from the last 1 month, so you are in the loss. That's why my personal advice for all of you is that please hold it and don't buy more. Actually, hold it, don't buy more. That's my advice. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.